The membrane that immediately lies inside the cell wall is called as plasma membrane, and in contrast to cell wall, it is a restricted semi-permeable membrane. The plasma membrane consists of double layer of lipid molecules. Each lipid molecule has a polar hydrophilic head and a non-polar end represented by two tails made up of fatty acids insoluble in water. The proteins in the plasma membrane may be integral, either embedded or transmembrane. They may be carriers or ion channels, allowing the passage of molecules from outside to inside the cell. Some proteins may also be attached to the oligosaccharide to form glycoprotein, that is a combination of carbohydrates and proteins, or they may be attached to proteins to form lipoproteins. In the plasma membrane of eukaryotic cells, about 2 to 10% carbohydrates are present in the form of glycoproteins and glycolipids. Now, different models have been proposed for the structure of plasma membrane, but the most accepted fluid mosaic model was proposed by Singer and Nicholson in 1972. Now, why is it called as fluid mosaic model? Mosaic because of asymmetry in the plasma membrane due to the presence of proteins in between the phospholipids. And it is called as fluid because the lipids and the proteins in the plasma membrane are free to move across the membrane. For example, the proteins can move freely or diffuse, and the phospholipids can flip on the same side, or they can flip-flop by interchanging position on the other side of the membrane with the help of enzymes flippase and floppase. So the plasma membrane is called as fluid mosaic. So this was all about the fluid mosaic model of the plasma membrane.